morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I've got tons of laundry motivation for you guys. I'm sorry I'm not getting a really good shot right here. I thought I had the camera lined up just perfectly. I did not. But I'm just getting some of these clothes separated and getting them put into my long rolling baskets that has like 3 sections. I've had this thing for years. And I'm just going to get started by washing all of my husband's uniforms first.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance.
I guess when my kids were feeding the cat, they dropped cat food in the floor and they stuck it in the little trash can right there. So the dogs were trying to eat the cat food out of the trash. But I'm just going to get the clothes transferred from the washer to the dryer.
You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see.
Eventually, I want to redo this laundry room and just make it a lot more functional, because I want to get, and I found everything on Amazon that I'm wanting to get, but I'm going to slowly get everything, and then once I finally have everything I want to come in here and just redo it. I found a rug I want to get for the laundry room, and there's like this rack that you hang on the wall to hang up clothes. I want to get something like that. And I found some stuff, but I'm not done shopping. And once I get everything and I'm done shopping for the laundry room, I'm going to be doing a laundry room makeover, because I also want to redo the shelves in the laundry room. I'm not a fan of the wiring shelf. So I do want to take those down and put like some wood ones up, just so to make it look better. I have a bunch of ideas and plans I want to do, and I do everything on a budget, and I don't rush to get things done, because I just want to make sure it's what I want. And I don't like to spend unnecessary money. I love to go shopping, but I don't want to spend unnecessary money.
From across the room, it's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love.
And Valkyrie, she's just having to make her appearance. But just out of curiosity, do you guys have to fold your laundry as soon as it comes out of the dryer? Because I do. Because if I don't fold it or put it away as soon as it comes out of the dryer, we will literally just get clothes out of the laundry basket throughout the week, and it's awful. But I don't mind washing and drying it. It's the folding and putting it away. I just don't want to do it. So I have to just fold it as soon as it comes out. But when I make laundry videos, I don't mind it. I have no problem getting it done, because I am motivated to get it done, and trying to help you guys have some laundry motivation because I'm pretty sure I am not the only one that the least favorite is laundry.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close.
And when I am picking up all of my clothes that I just got hung up to take to the bedroom to put away, I actually pick everything up in order. I pick it up the way I'm going to put it in my closets. I keep all my long sleeve shirts together, my pajama pants, my leggings, t-shirts, like my dressier, nicer shirts and stuff. Like I put everything in the closet in sections. And I do my head.
I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings.
And my towels, I usually always just fold the towels straight out of the dryer. It is easier, and the towels I literally don't mind folding because it takes no time at all. But I just fold them as I pull them out of the dryer. It's just what makes it easy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I only had 6 loads of laundry to get done, so this is just a short video. But leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see next week. I thought about doing what's for dinner, which is going to be like 2 or 3 recipes, or a morning routine, or a day in the life. Let me know which one of those 3 you guys would like to see for next week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some laundry motivation. And I hope you all have a fantastic Tuesday and a wonderful weekend. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.